Hi International Harvester Tractor fans. Today I'm going to show you a video of a McCormick Deering W9 plowing. The fields belong to L.F. Zyman Farming Group and is situated in Gamka Oos near Calitzdorp in the Little Karoo, South Africa. This W9 is a 1949 model with serial number WCB 35495 and was imported from Chicago, USA. A total amount of 67,418 was built in the factories at Milwaukee, Wisconsin and Melrose Park, Illinois. The W9 tested 49.4 belt and 44.15 drawbar horsepower. This specific tractor weighs in at 5 metric tons. This tractor was bought by Johan Potgieter of the farm Kraal Dorens in the Calitzdorp district from WM Spalaus in Oudtshoorn. The price tag on this tractor was $3,300. It was only the second rubber or tire wheel tractor sold in Oudtshoorn at the time. This W9 now belongs to the third generation. The plow is a John Deere 55A 14-inch 3-furrow moldboard plow. The plow was bought from Prince Vincent, also in Oudtshoorn. The price tag is unknown. Let's go and listen to this tractor as it is plowing. I hope you enjoy this video.